Hello? Is it working now? Can you see me? Can you hear me? Ah, oh my God. You guys, I'm so nervous here. It's working, yes. Ah, Yahoo, Yahoo. Awesome, cool. Hey everyone. Technical issue. Let me just quickly share. Yeah, thank God, exactly, Pedro. Awesome. Hey guys, it's really good to be back with you for actually my first webinar of 2017. Yeah. New link. Let me just for the let me just share this on the internet. Yeah, sorry guys. I well, okay. 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 All right, cool. Let's get started. How this will work? Well, first off, thanks guys. I'm really happy to be here with you guys. It's been a while. It's been a long time. I don't know. The last webinar that I was on actually was part of the Canada Summit. I don't know if anyone here was part of this Canada Summit when back in November. If you guys remember that. New members here as well. But yes, so we're here in Dublin. As you guys can see, we're at the recruiting fair. There's a lot of people. I'm really excited to show you guys this event and share. There's a lot of opportunities here, mostly for tech talent. Cool, Max. I'm glad you remember the Canada Summit. That was the last time I did a webinar. We need to start doing more webinars, and it's something that I will start doing more. So first off, again, sorry for the technical issue. Can I speak more slow? Yes, Robson, I'll speak slower. I'm excited. I'm sorry for the technical issues here. And we're gonna go meet some companies. So are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to meet some companies? Yes. If you have any questions, please ask in the chat over here. Just ask a friend in the chat. Yeah, awesome. Cloud, DevOps, Linux, system admin, great. Yes, well, we're here at the job fair because so we're here to try and help you guys all get jobs. Yeah, so yeah, let's get into it. Science for sure, designers definitely, SAP. Hey Jobson, nice to see you here. All right guys, well, let's go get started. How's it gonna work? Well, basically I'm gonna go and talk to the companies. So let's go start. Cool. So let me just do this. Yes, I'm in Dublin right now. So for everyone, I'm in Dublin, Ireland right now. I'm at a recruiting fair. As you can see, there's a lot of companies here, and we're gonna go talk to them. Rodrigo, fantastic, 18 years of IT. That's what we're looking for. Looking for good tech talent. .NET. Let's go find. I can't see you guys. No. A lot of questions. All right, let's go get started. We'll go find some companies, and we'll go from there. So yeah, let's do this. First time doing a webinar in Dublin. Awesome. Scrum Master. We do have Scrum Master jobs here, Bruno. Yes, we do. You can apply as well in our job board. For anyone who doesn't know, just app.com/jobs has all of our jobs. You haven't had 2025 workers in sales juniors. That's cool. Yeah, we definitely have Scrum Master jobs, etc. Product managers, lots of jobs. We're gonna go find them all here with the companies. So yeah, .NET jobs, everything. We'll find out. All right, let's get into it. So yeah. Cool. Let's go find some companies here. Yeah. Let's see. Hey Rachel, can you chat with our guys? Do you mind chatting with our members?
Oh, hi.
Yeah, so you're being live streamed now. We have a couple hundred people here.
No way.
Yeah. They all want to work in Dublin.
Oh, really?
Maybe they want to work with you guys.
Oh, come to Dublin.
Yeah. So do you mind telling them about? You don't have to use just the microphone. Just telling them about EY, what kind of jobs you guys have, and yeah. I told you I came by. I told you. I warned you.
So is this people that you work with?
These are all our talents, our community.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we have a lot of different designers, like accountants, but then system admins, network engineers, designers, .NET people. A lot of different kinds of people.
Are they looking for experience or graduate programs? Or
probably a mix. Yeah.
A mix. Okay.
Yeah. So they can't hear you. Or
they can't hear me?
No, sorry. They can't hear you, but you can hear them. Yeah, it's one
way. Okay,
yeah,
perfect.
So just the microphone. Huh?
Okay.
So tell us, what company are you with?
Okay, so I'm with EY. I actually recruit for the student recruitment team there in financial services in UK or Ireland. So if there is people out there that are looking for a graduate program, want to undertake the ACA exams or the chartered accountancy exams, definitely apply through our website here. You see it? Maybe not. It's EY Ireland. Careers.ey.com.
Okay, I'll share that later.
Yeah. We'll give it to you. We also have a lot of roles within our data analytics team is growing immensely this year. We have over 100 jobs throughout the year in data analytics that we will be hiring as well for. So if there are people that are looking for data analytics for a Dublin office.
Awesome. Anyone here work with Anyone here work with data analytics? I'm having a hard time with yes, well, we're in Dublin, so people speak different than in other places. We have we have accents in Canada. So guys, yeah, please be respectful. It's not cool. So any data analytics people here? Yeah, so we have some people, Andre, Celio, Leonardo, Miguel. Yeah, someone has a nice compliment. Thank you, Max, that was nice.
Thank you, Max.
Yeah, Wagner works with data analytics for oil and gas. Yeah, so we have some people who work with data analytics.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So what I would say, the best advice I can give anyone is go onto our website. It is eyIrelandcareers.ey.com. It's for experienced hire. If there are students out there that want to undertake our graduate program for September 2017 start, we still have positions in assurance, in FA, in FS, and UKI. As well. So yeah.
Cool, awesome. Thank you.
Okay, no worries. Thank you.
I'm sorry to put you on the spot. I'll get you a drink tonight to make up for it. Cheers. It's cool. Listen, I have to say, anyone guys, the recruiter really didn't like what she saw when you guys wrote those mean things about her accent. So please be respectful of people, especially people who are going to get you jobs. And if you say something bad, it kind of makes Van Hack look bad as well. So please don't write negative things. Okay. Yeah. Cool. And yes, all the companies here sponsor jobs, and we'll definitely post sponsor visas. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thanks, guys. All right, let's keep rolling here. I'll find more companies to talk to. Yeah. So there's a lot of lines for people, so it might be a little bit slow. Try and talk to a couple companies here. Yeah, well, let's see. I'll write down the URL. Yeah, but not right now though. It's just I understand. Hello, can I interview you about Ding? And we have some people here who want to work in Dublin.
Sure, go ahead.
A lot of technical talent that wants to move and relocate to Ireland.
Okay, all right.
Do you mind chatting with them about it?
Sure, no problem.
Cool, awesome. So what's your name?
Kelly.
Kelly.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Kelly. Tell us about Ding.
So Ding is a mobile top-up company. We're based in Dublin. Our headquarters are Dublin, but we have offices all around the world. So we're in Miami, Dubai, El Salvador, Dhaka. Oh, hi Bruno, how are you? Oh my God, there's so many people.
Yeah, we have a couple hundred people online.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So we are recruiting for lots of different roles at the moment. So if you want, you can check out our camera.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
So you can, oh, it's backwards. Oh no.
I'll send it out, don't worry guys.
So you can check www.ding.com/careers and the roles that you've there. So we have lots of things open at the moment.
Yeah,
we are looking for automation engineers, QA automation engineers.
QA, awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, we are looking for Android developers as well.
Any Android developers in the house? Hello, hello.
We want to talk to you.
Software testers or Android?
Definitely. We are also looking for, this is an interesting position for people who have perhaps just graduated, a graduate .NET developer or systems integrator.
We definitely have done that here. Thiago, Samarin.
Great.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, I see Daniel's asked about a project manager.
I'm an Android developer.
Oh, great. Yeah, absolutely. Listen, check out our website. Something that's interesting for you, get in touch. We are very interested.
Yeah, I think we have a lot of people interested. Cool.
Great,
Cool.
okay.
I really appreciate it, Kelly. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
being,
Bye, guys.
Yeah, and I'll be at the after party. I don't know if you'll be there.
Oh, great.
Yeah, so we're the company sponsoring the after party.
Are you bringing your laptop with everybody to come
Probably
along?
not to the party, no. But yeah, cool. Thank you, Kelly. Cool, guys. That was awesome. The website is ding.com. I'll share it later. Yeah. Yeah, so I think people like that. Cool. Let's go to the next company here. We're going to go talk to Zendesk. Have you guys ever heard of Zendesk? Hey, Quasim from Kosovo. Good to see you here. What's up, guys? All right. You don't necessarily need to be senior to get hired. So, yeah. Zendesk, yes, very famous. Everyone knows. So we're going to go talk to them. They have some jobs here in Dublin. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we're going to behave. We're going to be nice, right? So we're going to be nice. Hey, Georgie. How's it going in Berlin? Ruby on Rails, yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, Zendesk is a great company for sure. Front end. Yeah, we have another place that's looking for front end. So, yeah, guys. I guess there are many people know, like, yeah, if someone's in the old link, can you please just share this link there? All companies here, Julio, sponsor Visa, okay? So that's a really cool thing about Dublin is everyone sponsors visas. Hey, good, Ilya.
How are you?
Good. Ilya.
Hey there, Rob. How are you?
Nice to meet you, Rob. So
Are you
I'm
live streaming right now?
Yeah, I'm broadcasting. Yeah, we have a couple hundred people here with us, mostly senior tech talent that wants to get jobs in Dublin.
Sounds good.
Yeah. So do you mind talking about Zendesk and what kind of roles you have?
Yeah, no problem.
Cool. So what's your name?
My name is Robert O'Donoghue. I'm the tech recruitment manager here in Dublin and for EMEA. We've got a Dublin office. We've got about 200 employees here in Dublin at the moment.
Wow.
Yeah, we've got big expansion plans for the next year as well across all of tech. We also have offices in Copenhagen,
Cool.
In Montpellier, and in London as well.
Very cool.
So yeah, so we're here tonight. We're hiring for sales, we're for marketing, support, and also for technical recruitment as well.
Let's talk about the tech.
Talk about tech.
What kind of roles you guys have?
So right now, the majority of our open roles are on the technical side. So we're doing everything from DevOps engineers, infrastructure engineers, Scala. So we're
Scala's hot. Yeah.
Scala's very hot right now. So all our infrastructure, which is basically our platform team with all our applications are built off of. They're building everything from scratch in Scala at the moment. So
Scratch. Wow.
yeah, I mean it's a lot of greenfield work going on at the moment. It's probably an area where we see ourselves moving more and more towards that functional programming area. So we're looking at guys with Java 8, people who have done Coursera, people who are interested in Ojerski's kind of things. We're actually having some of the guys from Ojerski's new company, Lightbend, coming over and having a chat with us on March 29th. So if anyone's around and wants to come and meet Zendesk on March 29th.
Everyone's in all over the world.
Oh,
so
wow.
yeah. There's a different. Yeah, well, we find talent
Open
from.
invite.
Yeah,
Open invite.
if you guys want to fly to Dublin, we can. So that's kind of the difference between us and other companies is that we find talent from all over the world that wants to come to the big city.
Very nice.
Yeah. So let's see. Anyone here work with Scala or maybe Java?
Play frameworks, that's what we're looking for.
Yeah, Bruno looks like you'd be a good fit.
Kafka at the moment, 0.9, the latest version. So some all kind of bleeding edge kind of stuff at the moment. We're predominantly a Ruby and JavaScript house. Or Java here. That's good. All good stuff, guys. So yeah, we're predominantly a Ruby and JavaScript house. But yeah, as I said, we're moving more and more into that kind of Scala area.
Cool. Yeah, it's a trend for sure.
And it's a tough area. It's high demand in Dublin at the moment. A lot of teams are seeming to go in that direction. And not enough of candidates, unfortunately, as you probably know.
I guess we can fill those roles, right, guys? Yeah. So tell me, why should people work at Zendesk? What's the kind of...
Well, So like Zendesk is a fantastic company. So I mean, I'll tell you the main reasons I joined. So I joined for another, I won't say the name, but it was another US SaaS-based customer service kind of company here in Dublin. Really good company. This was one of the main reasons I left because they kind of grew too fast. I kind of stood up from my desk one day and it was like, didn't know who everyone was. And you go to your Christmas party and you're like, who are these people? Do you know what I mean? And along with that kind of growth, comes that kind of growing pains. You don't know who your direct manager is and all those kind of other problems. I joined Zendesk because it's at a nicer size. We're 200 people in Dublin. You know everyone. All our products for mobile and voice are based in Dublin. So everything from design, development, QA, DevOps, infrastructure. Our product managers there, our program managers there. So you have a problem, you turn around to the other floor, you go to the right person. You can find us straight away. It's not about waiting for San Francisco to come online. It's not about waiting for someone in a different time zone. Everyone's there and ready to go. So that was one of the main reasons I joined. And then, I mean, culture is another thing. And everyone says culture. Companies will put 3 green bean bags in the corner and say they've got loads of culture. Yeah. But I mean, if you can go on a Glassdoor and you can read the reviews for Zendesk, we're one of the top-rated companies there. Right. We have a really low attrition rate. People seem to send us if they join us. They stay for a long time. It's great. Our benefits package is amazing.
Are you guys open are you open to people who aren't in Dublin right now? Or aren't in 100%.
Europe? So, the Dublin market is very tight. It's very saturated right now. So we are.
You guys hear this?
We're more than willing to take on people. We'll relocate families. We'll pay for visas. Cool. We'll put a really nice relocation package, whereas we'll find them apartments to live in over here. Cool. So we'll provide the full package.
Fantastic. That sounds fun. Yeah. Awesome, guys. So who here wants to work with Zendesk? You can just say me or something like that. Oh, a question here that Urian asked in in Spanish. Having a EU passport, I'm guessing helps. Yeah, people are starting. It's old. Looks like a few guys. Great.
Having an EU passport helps.
But
we're not biased against that. Yeah. We do a lot of our recruitment over in Brazil now. Yeah. We're looking at non-EU countries like Russia. We're actually planning on going into India soon as well, just for that critical mass hiring. Yeah. So we're open, guys.
Cool. Well, if you need 50,000 members and a couple of people who want to work in Dublin, this is a couple here. But vanhack.com. Yeah. We're sponsoring the after party. So
sweet. I'll be there.
We'll have a fun.
I'll be there. Don't worry, I'll be there.
Cool. Awesome. It was Robert.
Robert.
Cool.
Nice to meet you. Thanks very much. Bye, guys.
This is just quickly. Sorry. This is me. Yeah.
Cheers.
But I'll see you there.
Thanks very much. I'll see you later.
Cheers. Yeah. I'm sure you'll get a few applicants coming in now.
Great stuff. Hopefully.
Cheers.
Thanks,
definitely. Go ahead. Awesome. Great stuff, guys. Why not Pakistan? Muga is definitely Pakistan. No, don't worry about it. We'll bring Pakistan to them. Pakistan is like my I don't know, how can I say, next place. I'm really enjoying guys like you, Mugas, are really good developers and from there. But anyway, all over the world, right? So guys, that was awesome. Okay. Could you please place class? I will, Paulo. I apologize. Share a live after party. Yeah, I don't know if you guys want to see the after party. If they have Wi-Fi, why not? I mean, you can see there's a lot of great companies here. We'll go talk to some more. Cool. So the next company we're going to talk to is actually, I don't know. Hello. Hi. Do you mind if I interview you for a webinar? Is that okay? Yeah. We have a couple hundred developers on the line that want to move to Ireland, and we just want to share the companies and kind of get you some applicants. It'll be on YouTube. Okay. It's okay if not. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay. Cool. What's your name?
Laura.
Laura. Okay. So hi, Laura.
Hi.
So, Laura, tell us about your company.
So we're letsgetchecked.com. What we do is we facilitate laboratory testing for consumers. So you can order a test online. We do sexual health screening, fertility testing, cancer screening, and also general health tests.
Wow, super important.
So it just makes the whole thing more convenient. It's completely confidential, and it gives the consumer control over their health. So what you can do is you can order a test online. Yeah. We are also available in pharmacies. So once the customer orders their test, They receive a test and they take their samples from home and return to one of our laboratory partners.
Cool. So are you guys hiring anyone?
We are, yeah. So we've got roles in kind of business development, communications, and also some design roles as well. Yeah,
Cool.
yeah,
Awesome.
yeah.
So people can just go to letsgetchecked.com.
Yeah.
It's the URL. Letsgetchecked.com. I don't know if it's working, but yeah. Oh, fantastic. Awesome. Well, thank you very much for chat. Cheers. Yeah. All right, guys. So let's close the conference. Yeah, that's great. All right, let's go see. Hello. Hi. I'm doing a webinar, and we have a couple hundred developers on the line that want to move to Dublin. Do you mind telling them about?
Yes, where are they from?
From all over the world, like South America, Asia, everywhere.
Okay, so first, do they know about Accenture and the dog?
I don't think they know about the doc. So first, what's your name?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth.
Yeah,
Nice to meet
so
you.
I'm not the best person to be here anyway.
You're the one we got.
So the doc is our new Center for Innovation in Dublin.
Yeah.
So we are at the moment looking for a lot of people from data analytics,
Cool.
designing and software developers.
Cool.
We have roles since a lot of the roles are for experienced hires. So if they have any experience and a good English, so as myself, I am not Irish, so we do have a lot of opportunities.
Right.
If they do have, if they are entitled to work in Ireland, it's a bit easier. If they are not, it's not a problem because we do sponsor a lot of visas.
Amazing.
So
Cool.
that's fine.
Awesome. So why should people come and work with you guys?
So basically, if they go to the website and they just put www.thedoc.com, they will understand all the amazing work we are doing in the background. Yes, I am Brazilian.
Que bom. Fala português.
Eu falo português.
Sim.
Yeah.
Não, eu falo também.
Você também?
Sim, sim.
So the doc is actually the new center for innovation when we have Fjord. So if anyone has learned about Fjord, it's a new designing think agency which Accenture acquired a few years ago.
Cool.
And we do have this kind of mindset of not, like in the Center for Innovation, we are open for new ideas. So we don't expecting anyone coming to work in one project, but we're expecting people coming with different ideas to start new projects actually.
Very cool.
And the amazing thing about the Center for Innovation, we receive our clients with no idea what are their solutions, but they come with the problem. And then we're going to try to find the solutions to them. So that's
cool.
why I think like if you're creative and you like to create new things, that would be a good place to be.
Any creative people here? I'm sure we have a couple.
Yeah, so there are questions, I think, no?
Oh yeah, positions for Brazilian with profile, system administration, UX. Oh, I think she just said this.
Okay, so we do have, if you know designers, we do have a lot of positions for designers at the moment. Huge amount of Brazilians online.
Yeah, well, most people are from Brazil.
Yeah.
Brazil and also everywhere else. Yeah.
So so a lot of positions for UX, UI people, front-end developers, JavaScript, whatever. Like the website has around 200 positions at the moment.
Amazing.
Yeah. I think the website is thedoc.com.
Cool. Yeah, I'll share it with you guys.
And the website for Accenture is www.accenture.com, and then you can go to careers and then look for positions in Dublin.
Amazing, awesome.
Okay.
Well, Elizabeth.
If you want to add me on LinkedIn, this is my name.
Elizabeth Rodriguez.
Rodriguez, Q-U-E-Z.
Oh,
That's
interessante.
people get confused.
Cool, awesome.
Okay.
Obrigado.
Thank you.
We're working with you guys actually.
Are you?
With Ruth,
Okay,
Yeah,
Ruth is just over there. She was actually the best person to be here.
It's okay, but I met with her today and then Catherine as well. So we're helping you guys find talent.
One of the agents working with us?
Yeah, we're an agency. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. So we're all about relocating.
Do you
good
know
talent.
Lisa Archer?
I emailed with her, but I don't know her well.
So I'm just I'm responsible for graduates, but
Cool.
I'm taking over her position for designers.
Awesome.
So we will be working together.
I'm sure. Awesome. Well, nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye.
Cheers. Bye. All right, guys. We got to do a little stop to recharge my computer. I'm on low battery, so I have to do a little stop. But yeah, we have a lot of jobs here, as you guys can see. I just defined a power outlet. Hopefully, somewhere soon before we die in the dark. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking for for an outlet. So give me a second here. The site, yeah, Celio, relax. Actually, the site, 1 second. Let me just get, okay, perfect. All right, guys, 1 second. I'll be right back. Oh, my hand needed a break. I was carrying the laptop. It was really heavy. All right, guys. I guess we'll just stay here for a couple minutes while the computer charges, and I can answer any questions you guys have. Actually, for Accenture, we actually have a direct connection to the HR of Accenture, which is the last company here. So, yes, for them, please don't apply directly. It's too dark. Can you guys see me now? Is it better? Can you please don't apply directly on their website? Go to app.vanhack.com, and all the jobs that are in Dublin are from Accenture. So if you can please apply through VanHack, that would be awesome. Because then we can send directly to HR, your application. That'd be cool. If if there's any jobs that aren't on VanHack, they will have soon. Okay, yeah, Ilya Vader, that's right, Eric. Send the link. Well, the link is here. I already put it here. It's app.vanhack.com/jobs. That's the link. Wagner, that's great. That's great. Cool. Yeah, I think the last site was thedoc.com. Yeah, I think that's it. I have a connection to the HR of vanhack.com. That's the right link, Marcel. Love it. Guys, I miss hanging out with you here on the webinars. It's been too long. Although sometimes I feel like I'm talking to myself because there's no one physically here, but I know. Anyway, eventually my kind of vision for these webinars is we'll do it in virtual reality. So we could all be wearing the glasses, or at least, yeah, and then we can have everyone meeting in a virtual room here. So yeah, there are Java positions for sure. And I will, let's snap about that. Well, we don't have we don't have Snapchat. We have Instagram. Yeah. How was the visa for Brazilians in Canada? Right now, the visa in Canada is not so good. It will be good soon. Thanks, Thiago. There are no marketing positions in VanHack right now. Yes, there are, Celio. There are marketing positions here in Dublin and other places. There's some marketing position, PhD positions. I don't know about here. Max, that's funny. 3G, yeah, not so good. How is life in Dublin? So I've been to Dublin twice now. I think it's really nice. Really kind of calm, small, historic city. Lots of churches, lots of kind of older buildings, very vibrant. And the tech scene here is crazy. There's 3,000 open tech jobs. That's why we're here. Yeah, I really like it. It's very similar to Canada. I feel like I'm in Canada. Jesus, aprende inglés, mi amigo. Okay? There aren't, I just checked. There are. Okay, anyway. The whole dinner is recorded. Yes, everything will be recorded. There are .NET positions. I'm sure there are. Visa sponsored by Berlin is really easy. Anywhere in Europe really is not so hard. Network engineer, I'm not sure, Marcel. Yeah, it's possibly hired without having specific. Usually not. Yes, I'm very much planning to have a connection with Ding soon. So I will work on that. Yeah, guys, let's wait another 5 minutes here. I'm just gonna quit this. I'm gonna quit all my apps that are sucking up battery. Cool, hopefully this makes it charge faster. All right, guys, there's tons of jobs. Listen, I'm not gonna answer every question of every job just because there's so many jobs. There's 3,000 jobs. So yes, the answer to whatever job or whatever skill is yes, I'm sure. English doesn't necessarily matter so much. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, on the site. Cool, Cristiano, awesome. Job opportunities we'll definitely be posting. My goal here is to get as many jobs and post them on VanHack as possible. Yeah, definitely Diego, having experience is good. Just graduating in 2018. Bruno, I mean, I would wait until you get graduated. Shaista, yes, Shaista, that we do have DBA jobs. So yes, we do have DBA jobs. I'll post, Shaista, if you can email me, ilya@vanhack.com. Tech architect, yes, we do have jobs. Oh, thanks, Isabella. It's my pleasure. This is a lot of fun. Average experience, no, definitely not. Definitely, yeah, definitely have remote. Definitely have not so experienced people. So for the DBA job, Shaista just said, here's the link. So yeah, let's also live in Canada working remotely. No, you can only live in Canada like for 6. Age is not a problem, Jose. It's better that you're older, actually. For 6 months as a tourist. So yeah. Any .NET jobs, guys? Don't ask me about specific jobs. There are jobs for everyone. Okay. There is a site. Yeah, the site for the companies for this recruiting fair is Upstarter. You guys can see all the companies at this event. So happy hunting there. Yeah. So guys, for the visa, it's pretty easy to get here in Dublin. All you need to do is have a. I will post the jobs. All you need to do is have an offer letter from the company, and that makes it easier. Yeah, George, most of the jobs are for developers, not so many for infrastructure. Yeah, but they do have some. I'm not sure. My pleasure. My pleasure, Felipe. Is there a new office VanHack in Dublin? I mean, we don't have offices. Everything is remote. But yeah, we definitely have a presence in Dublin, and we'll keep growing this. You have 20 years of experience, IT manager. Do I have? Of course, Rodrigo. You definitely have a chance. So usually, how hiring process is for companies, Hanan, is that they have a quick one call, about 15, 20-minute call, and then afterwards they have like a coding test or like some kind of technical test, maybe like a take-home test for marketing, and then also, then they have like a final interview after that, which is easier. Definitely, Dublin is much easier than Canada nowadays, and hopefully Canada soon will be easier as well. Yeah, cool. Awesome. That's great. Hopefully you're enjoying New Zealand. Awesome, guys. Well, let's see. Any other questions here? I don't know about University, Eduardo. That's something I'm not too familiar with. Cool. Let's see if maybe we can. Maybe we wait 1 or 2 more minutes, and then we can get back to it. Yeah. Hey, hi. Can I steal you for a minute? We're doing a webinar with some people who want to move to Dublin, some technical talent that wants to get hired here. Do you have any roles for developers and stuff like that?
We role for a mid-level developer.
Cool. Do you mind telling people about it and getting some candidates? Yeah. You're talking to tech talent from around the world that wants to move to Dublin. Yeah. Yeah. So hey guys, what's the tech? What language?
Language,
yeah, they're working with the tech
.NET.
.NET. Oh, any .NET developers here? Just let's see.
React.
And React. .NET and React. Any .NET and React developers? We have a company here beside me that is interested in hiring .NET and React developers. So anyone? Yeah. Yeah. So I see a couple. So what's the company?
Company's called Flipdish.
Flipdish. Do you mind maybe showing the shirt or somehow we can see? Yeah. Flipdish.com, right? Or .ie?
Flipdish.ie.
.ie, great, for Ireland. I'll put it here. Cool, so people can go there? Awesome, so if there's any .NET developers that want to work at Flipdish, what do you guys do?
We make a delivery platform for restaurants.
Okay, cool.
Sorry, an ordering platform, I should say.
Okay.
So we deal with like 10% of the restaurants in Ireland.
Nice.
People place an order through an app or
Yeah.
website, comes through our platform.
Yeah.
We send it on to the restaurants.
Okay, and the person like gets the food to their house, or would they go to the restaurant and eat there?
We provide about the collection or delivery. The restaurants handle that. We just get the order from the customer.
Fantastic. Very cool. Awesome. I see. I like it. Awesome. Cool. Thanks for your help, and you're going to get a bunch of applicants. Cheers. All right, guys. Well, yeah, was a little bit shy. Basically, go to flipdish.com, and I think it's .ie. Yeah, next Mike next to him. Yeah, I don't know. He was a little bit shy. This one we probably won't put on the Van Hack site. So kind of a smaller company. It's not worth it for us. So if any .NET or React developers are interested in this company, maybe it could be a good one. Yeah, Israel, it's good that you're the right guy. Great. All right, let's get back to it, guys. I'm excited to go back and talk to companies. I'm gonna keep this. Actually, just one sec. Let me get my. Oh, Israel, that's perfect. .NET. We have a guy who's exactly .NET and React. Okay. Yeah. So and I shared your URL. So his name's Israel. If someone named Israel applies, keep an eye out.
That's great. I'll keep an eye out.
Cheers. Thank you. All right. So Israel, looks like you got a good chance. Anyway, cool. Let's keep rolling. Hopefully my battery doesn't die again. And we'll find more jobs for you guys. So one sec. Are you guys having fun? Is this cool? Is this nice? Seeing companies, seeing how it really is? Yeah? It's okay? Right. One sec. Cool. Yes, great. I'm happy to hear that. All right. Back to it, everybody. Let's go find some jobs. Practice your English. Yes, exactly. For English class, right? How much you guys pay for an hour of English class? A lot, right? Oh, man. Show me the low battery sign again. All right, I'm going to go out, and then we'll come back, and we'll just keep doing that. All right, let's go talk to Slack. Yeah. Hey. What's up, man? We're doing the webinar. Guys, this is a Van Hacker here in Dublin. Hans, hi. How's it going? Yeah, let's do a quick interview. So, how are you enjoying Dublin?
Yeah, it's very good. And the people is very friendly in the events is very good. And but for me, there is a lot of job for C#.
C#.
Yes, my background is Java.
Okay. Oh, there's some Java jobs.
Yes. Android, there is a lot of job.
Yeah.
Mobile.
Yeah. What are you doing? Interviews? It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Cool. Awesome. Yeah, fantastic. So yeah, guys, Hans is a Van Hacker as well. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. I'm from Piauí. I'm from Teresina.
Anyone else from Teresina and Piauí? Maybe. Cool. Awesome. And you were here just studying English, right?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes. My visa is finished in June.
Cool. Awesome.
Yes, but I think I improved a lot because before I don't have English. Now I can try speak one thing.
Yeah, your English is good. Always getting better, right?
Yes, hours.
Cool, man. Well, listen, I was just here for the night, so it's good to see you, man.
See you.
Yeah. We'll talk more on after.
Yeah. Maybe talk more.
Yeah, go find a job.
Yes. Thank
awesome.
you.
Yeah, we'll see you soon. We'll come back to Ireland a bunch. Oh, tonight? Are you busy? Are you free tonight?
Tonight, tomorrow?
Yeah. No, like tonight. Like at 10 p.m. We're gonna have a party if you want to come.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you have like what data? I'll just message you. It's just across the street at Sam's.
Sam's?
Yeah, just across the street. 36 Dawson. Just
Okay.
literally across the street. Yeah, go there like 10 o'clock, more or less. It'll be just us and all the recruiters.
Okay.
It'll be nice. Cool, man. I'll see you there.
See you, man.
Yeah, and Everton's here too. I don't know if you met him yet. Yeah. Cool. Anyway, see you soon. All right, guys. That was That was cool. Yeah, Hans is one of our premium members who's here in Dublin. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. He works in Teresina. That's awesome, Robson. Yeah. So we'll just wait and talk to another company here, and then go to Slack. Hey, Alan. As promised, here I am. So it's myself and about 256 exactly developers who are looking to work who want to work in tech in Dublin and around the world. So hi, Paul.
Another recruiter.
Hey there.
How's it going?
Yeah, I'm live streaming it to developers from around the world that want to get jobs in Dublin. Yeah. So we have a couple developers here, a couple hundred.
A couple hundred on there?
Yeah, 256.
Well, hi everyone. What's going on?
Yeah, so people like Slack. Yeah, yeah. So guys, tell us about Slack. Yeah.
What would you like to know?
What do you, I mean, I think everyone knows who you guys are.
Yeah.
We actually use it for our community. I was telling Alan.
Okay.
What kind of roles are you guys looking for in Dublin?
So at the moment we've got like a whole mix. So we opened up our international headquarters a year and a half ago,
Yes.
and we've just moved into a lovely swanky new office. We're kind of hiring right across the business. So we have like sales, customer experience.
Cool.
In the engineering side, we have a small operations engineering team. So that is everybody that makes Slack work. So it's like what would be like scalability, production engineering. We've got a couple of roles there.
Yes.
We have finance, legal, pretty much everything and anything.
What kind of tech do you guys use for the operations engineering?
God, now you're going to catch me out. This is going to embarrass me in front of everybody if you're watching. So it's all open source. I'm going to say a couple of tech words that I know. So it's all AWS, Apache. I've gone blank. Linux administration.
Okay.
Open object-oriented programming, Java, Puppet, Chef.
Okay. Let me just
That's-
do like anyone here work with Linux or Java anyone work with these kind of technologies? Apache, yeah, Pedro. Just go apply for the jobs. But yeah, I just,
And we also have jobs in Dublin, but also in San Francisco as well. So if you go to our career page, you'll be able to check it out by location and see what suits.
awesome. Well, thanks guys.
Cool.
Always a pleasure.
Very nice to meet you.
Perfect. See you
Nice
guys.
to meet everybody.
Yeah, and well,
Good night from Dublin.
yeah. Cheers. I'll see you at the after party. Thanks so much, guys. Awesome. That was a lot of fun, guys. The site is just slack.com, I think, /jobs. Pedro, yes. Scala. Pedro, I have a job for you. Scala developer. Pedro, email me right now. Yeah. So, Pedro, email me right now. Leandro works with Mule. That's awesome. Cool. So, yeah, Pedro, email me right now. I have a job for you in Berlin. Slack San Francisco does not sponsor visas. That's the problem. Cool. Well, you're back here with me just because of the battery. Sorry. Yeah, so we'll wait here another couple of minutes and then we'll get cracking. Yeah, and then we'll get started on everything. It's time for beer. Visa in Canada is not so easy. Yeah, the roof is really cool with the stars. But it will be easy soon. So yeah, Isabel, there's definitely a lot of jobs in Scala. So if anyone here works with Scala, send me an email. It's just ilya@vanhack.com. Okay, email me, and I have a job for you in Berlin. It's a company looking for Scala developers. Also Go. Anyone here work with Golang at all? There's 2 jobs in Go. Yeah. How soon? Probably in the summer, in like June, July. We're not too sure yet. So yeah, there's a lot of tech jobs. So that's for Canada. Go, Breno. Okay, Breno, email me right away. We're looking specifically for Go and for Scala developers. Yeah, for sure. That's any big data jobs in R. Go just 6 months. That's great, Isabella. Anyone have any experience at all with Go? Any experience at all? Just email me. Yes. And Visa Berlin, yes, it's easy. If you have any experience at all with Go or with Scala, send me an email right now. Just say I work with Go or I work with Scala. Attach your resume, and we'll be good. Cool. Scala 8, awesome, Jesse. Send me your resume. Yeah, we got jobs for all you guys. PHP Symphony, definitely. What about the beer in Dublin? Is good. Yeah, I had a beer earlier. It's pretty good. I'm going to Berlin. Breno, awesome. Berlin and Dublin, which is better? It's so hard to say. They're both very, very good. Yeah, very, very good. .NET, definitely. In Hiki, we have .NET jobs too. And we have a lot of jobs. Tomas, yeah, definitely Node, for sure. No jobs as well. Man, guys, I mean, there's a lot of jobs everywhere, as you guys probably have heard me say a lot of times. Cool. When we talk about Canada, Scrum Master, yes, Alan, we have Scrum Master jobs. Guys, the webinar is definitely not over. I know it's been an hour, but I'm going to stay around here for another, maybe even another hour. Yes. Cool. See you later, Celio. All the best, man. Guys, that job service position. Thank you, Anand. Not so much for system admin and SAP, though, unfortunately. It's more for like developers, designers, digital marketing people. You have some job in Berlin, tech leaders. Yeah, Taro, definitely for Java, for sure. What's the trip to go to Berlin, Java developer? Nice. Yeah, when you apply, usually you'll get a negative response, sometimes not, just because we have a lot of applications. QA, yes, we have QA in Barcelona. So Elizabeth, if you're interested in QA, especially with automatic testing, let me know. Yeah. Whew. I degree. I don't know if it's yes, Kenji. Yeah, just go to vanhack.com and join, and you'll see our jobs right away. My email is just ilya@vanhack.com. Just ilya@vanhack.com. Okay, let's go meet some more companies. Just gonna leave this here. Let's go meet some more companies, and we'll come back here soon. Okay. Cool. All right. Yeah, having a degree definitely helps, but it's not necessary. Hey, I'm doing the webinar still. Yeah.
Hello, everybody.
So everyone, this is Everton. Everton is a van hacker who just arrived in Dublin 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago.
How is Dublin so far?
So Dublin is very, very cool city, and I like this place.
Awesome.
Very, very, very good.
Nice. So you found some jobs here?
Yeah, a lot of jobs here. Front-end rules and back-end rules, and maybe mobile rules too.
Amazing, man. Congrats. Yeah. Awesome. I'm going to keep walking and find more companies, but I'll see you at the after party, okay? Come to Sam's at 10 o'clock, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll see you around. Don't leave. Okay, see you. All right, cool, guys. You should try to use the smartphone. Yeah, maybe. Actually, I might be able to do that. I'm not sure, actually. We'll see. Because I don't know if I can broadcast on the smartphone. But yeah, let's meet more companies here. I'm going to go meet a company called Data Hug. Hey, Kevin. Do you mind if I do the interview? Yeah? Cool. Awesome. So we have a couple hundred developers with us here, about 230, that want to get hired in Dublin.
Okay, yeah.
A lot of front-end guys and C#.
Okay.
Maybe tell us about Data Hug and the roles you have.
Okay. So Data Hug is a relationship platform that we can analyze by connecting up to a company's communication server, email server. We can build up a social graph of who they know, of who they know in the company and who that company's talking to. Cool. So it's like a LinkedIn type network, but it's built automatically. So I'll
come over to you guys after.
The application of that would be in sales, for instance. If you want to sell into Microsoft, for example, you want to sell to Bill Gates, you can search our network and
find someone who knows someone.
Exactly, and like how well your colleagues, how well they know people in Microsoft and everyone they know in Microsoft. We also use it for sales to help predict if deals will close or not. That if a sales guy says it's going to close in 2 months, but haven't emailed them in 2 months, it's not going to close. So we have two platforms. We have we're looking for loads of engineers. We're looking for JavaScript front end. We have a big Angular JS platform, all written in JavaScript. We also have a web app, C# MVC. We're thinking of maybe changing the front end to more JavaScript as well.
Very cool. People are asking about the Guinness.
Yes. If you come to Ireland, you get more loads of Guinness as well. Proper Guinness.
Yeah, proper Guinness. So Gnami works with Angular.
Yeah.
So it was C#.
Yeah. So we have two platforms within Data Hub.
And C# as well.
Yes. So we have two platforms. One platform is purely an Angular JS application. We have a second platform which is C#, MVC. The middle tier, all the background services are C#, and our database is MongoDB.
Very cool, very cool. So anyone work with Mongo, Angular, C#? Check out Data Hug.
Yeah.
And yeah, maybe
So,
come in here and have a Guinness with us.
Exactly, yeah. So all the jobs are posted on datahug.com. They're updated regularly. We're looking to hire. We have 10 engineers at the moment. We're looking to hire, get to 20 as fast as possible. So
Cool. Well, I'm sure a couple here will be.
Yeah, send all good CVs into jobs at datahug.com.
Yeah, I'm sure they will be. Cool, guys. Well, thanks so much.
Brilliant,
Kevin.
yeah. Thanks very much.
I'll see you at the after party, or
Yeah, we'll be there.
We'll chat there.
Cheers,
Cool,
thank
really
you.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, guys, let's go to another company here. So a lot of jobs, right? Barcelona link. Just go to vanhack.com and log in, and then you can go to app.vanhack.com/jobs, and then you can search Barcelona as a city. Hey guys, I have some developers here who want to work in Dublin. They're interested in relocating here, and wondering if you want to chat with them. We have a couple hundred people on the line that are mostly senior software engineers. Yeah, cool. So, hi.
Hi, how are things?
Good, good. So, what's your name?
My name's Stephen.
Stephen.
Yeah, so I work at Erlingus. I'm over the development teams for Erlingus.com and mobile.
What with the development team?
I'm manager of the development teams
awesome.
for Erlingus.com and mobile.
Perfect.
Yeah.
The mobile development team.
Mobile and Erlingus.com. So we
Okay.
have over 3 teams.
Okay.
So we have a UI team, so doing JavaScript development with the Angular framework. We have a Java services team working with just basically Java development, exposing REST JSON services. And one of my colleagues from the Enterprise Service Bus team, which is Java development with Enterprise Service Bus technology from IBM. So
awesome. So Java.
Angular on the UI side, and Java on the Enterprise Service Bus side. So
Okay.
we've opened senior roles across those 3 teams.
Cool. Any Java developers here or Angular developers here? Just say hi. Yeah, it takes a little while. But yeah. Cool. So how many roles do you guys have open?
So we have on the UI side, it said we have 1 senior developer role, and we have a tech lead role on that team. So two on the UI side. Okay, good. On the Java side, we have 1 on my team and 2 with Joanne on the Enterprise Service Bus. So we have 5 open roles on the development side altogether. So
awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, guys, this is the website, Air Lingus, or just the other way around. You can figure it out and Google them, find the jobs page, and apply there. And yeah, you can come to Ireland and work with us or work with you.
Careers.erlingus.com. Check us out.
Fantastic.
Oh, good.
Awesome. What was your name? Sorry?
Stephen.
Stephen, yes.
Yeah.
Great.
Cool.
Is there someone in the HR I can chat with?
Okay.
Awesome, guys. Java equals visa. Developer equals visa, or designer equals visa, or marketing person, tech equals visa. So yeah, we'll talk here with HR as well, so we can learn more about the company. But basically, they're like a big airline. So yeah, very exciting. Angular, Java, Fabu, great. Scala, Go, Java, Angular equals hired. That's right. That's right. Hello. All right. Yeah. So we're taking some time. Yeah, all companies provide sponsors for sure. All companies in Dublin are open to sponsoring. Fabio, yes, we have Node.js jobs. You can see there's a Node.js job right now in Dublin, in Van Hack's job board, or you can just email me your resume. But yeah, we definitely have Node.js jobs, tons. Cool. We do have technical architect jobs, not architects like technical architects, not like building architects. Robson, I don't know. Are you a technical architect? Yeah, Alan, I'll try and get her contact. Definitely a lot of data sciences jobs. The recruiting fair is not all day. It's for another 80 minutes. Elixir, yeah, Elixir and Ruby for sure, Louis, if you work with Elixir and Ruby. Not civil engineers, no. This is technical people. Yeah. Yeah, so cool, Robson. I'm guessing that's a technical senior. We definitely have technical architect roles in Van Hack job board, cloud as well, for sure, guys. Everything. Okay, let's Let's see what's up here with the company. Maybe we'll go somewhere else. They're being a little slow. All right, we went to Ding. Where haven't we gone? We haven't gone to PwC. Let's go there. I hope my computer doesn't die. Hey, Tori. How are you? Do you mind if I interview you for, like I said? Cool.
Get us all in. Come on. Come on.
I'm doing a webinar. We have a couple hundred developers on the line that want to move to Dublin. So maybe you guys can tell us about Showtime Analytics and what kind of roles you guys are hiring for and things like that.
Yeah, so Showtime Analytics is I'm speaking here, looking in there.
Yeah, exactly. This is the mic.
Cool. So Showtime Analytics is a data analytics products and service company focused on the cinema industry. So there it is backwards. That's Mary and Tori. So effectively what we do is we develop products for cinema exhibitors. So they're the people who own and run cinemas. We do some work with the major studios as well. So we do some project work for them. And ultimately what we're doing is helping cinemas understand more about their customers, what their customers like, and help them understand more about the types of movies that they should be playing in their cinemas.
Okay.
So we do a lot of work across the globe. I mean, the great thing about cinema is it's a truly global industry.
Yes.
So we do a lot of work in China currently, and we have a team of 5 people in China as we speak, about to put a product live in.
Wow,
so that's
exciting.
Thank you for saying you like my shirt.
Hello, we're back. Guys. Yeah. The computer died. I'm sorry, guys. We're back. Thanks for staying. Thanks for not ditching us here. Cool, guys. Well, I'm going to stick around a little bit here to charge, and maybe we'll talk to one or two more companies before wrapping it up. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a lot of fun. After party time, yeah. If they have Wi-Fi, why not? We'll broadcast. Why not? I'll share a message in Slack for everyone. By the way, everyone here is in the Van Hackathon Slack group, right? If you're not in the Van Hackathon Slack group, join. We have another Slack group for premium members where it's more like we give more attention. It's more better engineer jobs. Yeah, I need. So if you're not in the Van Hackathon Slack group, join there. It's free, of course. The Van Hackathon is happening in about a month, actually, just under a month, just over a month, sorry. It's happening from the 7th to the 9th of April, so that's coming up soon. It's already March, which is crazy. Yeah, Leandro, welcome to Van Hack Premium. Really good to have you. And yeah, we have 40 hours of English for just $65 a month, which is a crazy deal. If you do the math, it's less than $2 an hour, which is you'll never find. 4 reais or an hour for English. Where in the world will you find this? Nowhere. It's something we're really proud of, and we're going to keep getting better at it at Van Hack Premium. For anyone who isn't in the Van Hackathon Slack group, to join. It's free. We're going to have some of these companies here in the Van Hackathon, and they're going to be participating in the Van Hackathon. So you can be there. You can talk to them. You can show them your skills. The better thing that I can see here, Ilya is not fake. Hey, no, this is what I love to do. Humberto, yeah, hey, listen, we are real people. This is not a fake company, not malandro. Sometimes people think, that it's not a real company. It's real people here, myself and our team. We have an amazing team. Julia, Patricia, Fred, Thiago, Rafael, Kadu is working with us in the tech side. Yeah, a lot of good people working in our team. I'm really proud of our team. Really, we are helping just one at a time. Van Hackers get hired. Bruno, I'm guessing you're a Van Hack Premium member who joined. That's awesome. I'm glad it was worth it for you. What we try and do is make the price here and the value here. So we want to make it so it's cheap. That's really why, because for us the goal is to help you guys improve skills. Sure. For anyone who doesn't know what Van Hack Premium is, you can join, by the way, at vanhack.com/premium. Has a lot of information there. For anyone who doesn't know, Van Hack Premium is really where we work one-on-one and kind of more in depth with you personally, and also in a smaller group to help you with your English. Most of all, we have 40 hours of English practice per month. 40 hours for $65, so that's crazy value just there. It's conversational practice, so you practice speaking English, you practice doing interview practice, and also just conversations with native English speakers, mostly from Canada. So people who, of course, are fluent and they speak English with you, help you with this. The next thing is that we help you with your resume, your cover letter, your LinkedIn profile, your personal website to make those perfect and make them ready for international jobs, international standards. $65 a month, yes, Alan. If your English is already great, well, then we'll definitely help you, improve your profile. And we have a lot of kind of more personalized help. Plus, we have a course. I don't know if you guys have seen our. Let me share my screen so you guys can see all the courses that we have. Oh, no. Let me do just this. Can you guys see here? Just when I go to here, can you see this? This is our course. So you can see all the different videos. For example, this is videos about how to create your resume, your LinkedIn, your personal website. So you watch these videos and you follow the steps. And can you guys see that? I just want to make sure. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, okay, great. So you can see, how to create a Canadian profile, how to create a LinkedIn. We have all these videos. some documents, you know, interview question cheat sheets, meetups that we help you go to. And then we have, you know, here in the library, we have so many videos. Each one of these is 10, so over 100 videos, as you can see, about things like, you know, how to get hired, interviews with people who are successful. So let me try and find some interviews. Yeah, Jayesh Parmar is the CEO of a Vancouver company. So we do like a interview with him. This is, you know, this is Jay. So we talked to him, and Alexandra Greenhill, who's another CEO. So yeah, this is her. Talk about all the different opportunities. So you can watch these videos and learn more about, you know, how to get hired in Canada. And then of course we have, if you ever have any questions, if you have any, let's just go back. Whoa. I'm back. If you have any questions about, like, you know, whatever question you have, anytime, we are there to answer those questions for you. So yeah. Oh, cool. Yeah, Gustavo. Yeah. Yeah, Gustavo's awesome. He got a job at Eastside Games. Definitely. Really cool. He's making a really good salary living in Vancouver right now. They sponsored his visa as well. He's a really nice guy. So yeah, I mean, that's really what we did, is we tried to create something that is a little bit more, well, definitely a lot more personal. Yeah, 65 Canadian dollars. Yeah, Canadian dollars. So it's like 100 reais, pretty much. 100 reais for 40 hours of English class. Pretty good, I would say. So yeah, and really, like, you have direct contact with our team. If you have any questions about anything, we help you there. And the best thing for me is the community, you know. We have people who help you, you know, people who have gotten hired already that can help you kind of answer any questions. Yeah, Canadian dollars is better, I know. Yeah, definitely. Anyway, cool. And the last thing I'll say about Premium is that we have a 30-day guarantee. So if it doesn't work for you, welcome, Alan. That's awesome. Welcome. I'm happy to have you part of the community. Italo, have a good night. So if it doesn't work for you, just quickly, in the guarantee, what we have is, you know, for whatever reason, sometimes people have their plans change, or sometimes they just they don't like it, which is normal. It's okay. I don't think it's 150 reais. Let me see how many reais exactly it is. I might be wrong. Canadian dollar to 65. I might be wrong. Yeah, you're right. 150. My bad. Cool. 150 reais. Yeah. Okay. 150 reais. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Isabella Nino is a Superman hacker. Use Google to, yeah, for sure. So is it 150 reais? 153 reais exactly. 152. Yeah. Anyway, the point is, it's pretty cheap for, you know, something that helps you change your life completely. It's like a lot of our members are making 80,000, 100,000 Canadian dollars. You know, if you think about $65 for $60,000 of return, it's pretty powerful, I would say. And also another thing, if you aren't ready to join VanHack Premium, don't worry. Like, you can still apply for jobs for free, and all the jobs. We don't just restrict jobs only for premium members. We don't pay. Like, you don't have to pay to apply for jobs with VanHack. It's free. By Nazareno. Nazareno is a premium member. Nazareno, before you go, how is VanHack Premium for you? I don't know if you've left already or not, but if you can type here. Alan, you're from Bega. Yeah. My wife is from Bega. I know it well. And Thiago, yeah, Thiago's our super van hacker as well. Anyway, so yeah, it's really, the goal for us is, I agree with you, Alan. Thiago is an amazing guy. Cool. Rodrigo, welcome to Premium as well. You know, really, guys, we're just trying to help you as much as possible. We wouldn't be able to help so many people, you know, if we weren't giving a lot of value for what we think is a pretty good price. One minero to go to Canada. Yeah, we have a little mini BH in Vancouver or in Canada. Yeah. Minha esposa é mineira. Ela de 7 Lagoas. Anyway, cool, guys. So I think we're okay with another company. Go there. But yeah, one thing I'll say with Premium, I would say, like, give it a shot. If you like it, great. You can cancel anytime. If you don't like it in the first month, give you a full refund, no problem. And really, like, if you're really serious and ready to get a job and get hired in Canada, and really in Europe too now, we're here in Dublin, then I say the premium's the way to go. But of course, if you're not ready, you can also join Pro, kind of get some more videos and a monthly call with our team. And then of course we have the Van Hackathon. Everyone join that group, the Van Hackathon group, which I'll share again. Van Hackathon. I'll share that here for you guys. Sweet. All right. All right. Join that Slack group if you haven't joined it already. Okay, let's go meet some more companies. I'm gonna buy premium. Abdullah, welcome. I think you'll be our first member from Pakistan that's premium. I'm not sure, but yeah, and Abdullah, congrats on the interview. I saw you have an interview with a company in Berlin. Let's get you hired for that interview. Get you ready for it. Okay, guys, let's go meet some more companies. It's pretty not too many people here now, so I think it'll be good for us to meet companies. So hopefully the computer doesn't die this time. I'm sure it won't. But yeah, let's do it. English is kind of fluent. Okay, Alan, I want to see this. See this fluent English. Cool. Yeah. So maybe we can go here. Hey, Ashley. Hi. Good. Sorry to interrupt. Yeah, as promised, I'm here with our developers who want to get hired abroad. Do you mind just chatting with them a little bit about the roles you guys have? Or is there someone better to talk to? Sorry. Just tell us about PwC, what kind of roles you guys have. Yeah. Cool. So yeah.
So we're on a webinar.
PwC, yeah. Yeah, we have about 200 developers who want to move to Dublin on the line. So just telling them about your guys' roles. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So all developers.
Yeah, developers, designers, data scientists, a lot of different roles, a lot of different talent. So is Ashley and Pat?
Yeah, Ashley and Pat.
Nice to meet you both.
Yeah,
so tell us about PwC in Ireland.
Yeah, so currently we have 130 open positions on our website. It's www.pwc.ie/careers. So we're recruiting in all areas, but mainly in the tech and cyber security space.
Very cool.
So I'd encourage you to go on and have a look and apply.
PricewaterhouseCoopers. That's what it stands for, right?
Yes, yeah, PricewaterhouseCoopers.
PricewaterhouseCoopers, and we're the largest professional services firm in Ireland.
Yeah.
And we're growing at a faster rate than all the other professional services firms are.
Fantastic, congrats.
So this is a really big plug for anybody out there that wants to do technology development.
Yeah, we already got the link shared in the chat there. Cybersecurity. Leandro works with cybersecurity.
Yeah, great. Okay, beautiful.
What kind of tech skills do you guys have an idea of?
So it's a combination really of Java, Visual Basic, development, any development languages really, but we're more interested in people that have an interest in security. In what we call ethical hacking. So how do we break into organizations' networks?
Right.
How do we
and then tell them about how to fix it?
Breach the security controls for our clients. So people that are technically adept, but also have that curiosity about them that will fit in well to a Big Four professional services firm.
Fantastic. So any hackers around? Any hackers here? It takes a little while. There's a little delay. But yeah, VP Hero here. So someone works with this. Cybersecurity. Yeah, no, we have a lot of. This is just a small sample. We have about 50,000 members from all over the world that want to move to Dublin or to Berlin, kind of get jobs abroad. And so yeah, I mean, have some here. People are saying that they're. Yeah.
We've started a wave here, have we?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So I don't know if you guys will be at the after party, but we're the company that's sponsoring it.
Okay,
so you can grab a shot there. And,
okay.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you, Pat.
Thanks for your time today. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye, guys. Cool. Awesome. Cheers, guys. See you soon. Thanks, Pat. Yeah. Awesome. That was fun. So cybersecurity people want to work for PwC. Very cool. I got one more company here. It's a webinar. Yeah. Oi. Está indo. Who can we have on the team to chat about?
That guy is the best. This is our official speaker.
Okay. So we have a company here called Copa. and the guy who's talking is over there. He's a little bit busy. Yeah. Want to say hi? Yeah. All right. Hopefully he finishes soon because my battery might die. Yeah, it seems like he's talking. We have some people that are interested in what we're doing. Let me, 1 sec. Okay, we have a couple minutes here, battery. Hopefully he finishes here. I don't know how much time went longer. Yeah. Do you mind chatting? No. All right. Cool. We'll have to wait for one guy. All right, it's finishing up here. Yeah. I'm gonna go charge again. But yeah, I think yeah, you guys saw copa.com/careers. Hello. Yeah. All right, guys. I think it's wrapping down. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. Whew, what a webinar. A little bit of technical difficulties, a little bit of drama, but we made it. Thank you for everyone who's here. Hanging out with us in the webinar. Oh. Okay, cool. For everyone here, all you guys stayed the whole time or part of the time until now, until the end. If you have any questions about anything, you can just email contact@vanhack.com. So contact@vanhack.com. That's our team email. Someone will get back to you pretty quick from there. Yeah, and of course, join the Van Hackathon Slack group. Join the Van Hackathon, participate in it. Will be a virtual hackathon. We'll have some of the companies that are here participating. And yeah, you can, share your skills. We'll definitely post as many web jobs as possible from here. Leandro, yes, it was very action-packed, a lot of fun. Hope you guys met some cool companies. I know I did. I'm excited about that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next webinar. I'll definitely have another webinar soon. Probably will be about the Van Hackathon, which is happening soon, so get ready for that. And yeah, guys, wherever you are in the world, working hard towards your goal of getting hired abroad, that's what we're here to support you with. So keep working, keep hacking, and yeah, we'll see you soon. All right, bye everyone.